Hi, Kristen. I have your scan here. So what I'll do is like a little, just preview of it here, and then I'll do the same video when you take your second scan in 4 weeks, and we'll see what happened and compare. So just taking a look, lean body mass is 109.4 pounds. That's your muscle cells, which is 29.3 pounds. And your total body water together. And so that of your 176 pounds, 109 of it is lean body mass, and then you have 66.8 pounds of body fat. So of the 176 pounds, 66.8 of it is body fat. All right, so if you take a look at this here, this section here, this arrow means below average for your gender and height. This dash here means average for your gender and height. And then this arrow here means above average for your gender and height. So as you can see, body weight would be above average, muscle is just above average, and then body fat is above average. So you can see that. And you're making this shape, if I connect these three lines, it makes the shape of a C. So the goal with this is to flatten the C out and turn it into an I. So body weight is in, skeletal muscle mass is out, and body fat is in. So now it makes the shape of an I, and then eventually to turn it into a D shape, and that would mean body weight is in, skeletal muscle mass is way out, and body fat is in. So when I connect the three lines, it makes the shape of a D. Okay, so for you, we're looking to just flatten the C out, maybe turn it into a D. I have seen that happen to plenty of people in the 12 weeks. Where they've gone from a C to an I to a D in the 12 weeks. Okay? So your body fat percentage, I don't even really spend any time looking at BMI, but your body fat percentage is at 37.9, and average for women is 18 to 28%. So we'll look to decrease your body fat percentage as well. Now, if you take a look at your muscle down here, I always pay attention to the bottom number. So this means your percent ability to support your body weight with that one body part. So right arm, you're at 116%, which is great. Left arm, 116%, core, 109%, which is great. And if you notice your legs, we want all of these parts to be 100% able to support our body weight. If you notice your legs are at 96.4 and 95.4. So we want to get that number above 100. Now, once you lose body weight, obviously you have to support less. So it naturally will go up, but ideally we want to increase the unilateral leg strength as well. So the scan is recommending 34 pounds of body fat loss. So I have your macro numbers and your nutrition plan set for you to lose 20 pounds in the 12 weeks. So then maybe at the end of this 12 weeks, this is looking at a 14-pound recommendation. Okay, so I've seen people get a good goal of trying to get this number to 0.0 over 0.0. It's a really cool thing that I've seen people achieve when they had even more than 34 pounds of body fat loss. So if you were to lose the 20 pounds of body fat, ideally, we don't want to lose any muscle. So skeletal muscle mass stays the same or goes up. That would be great. And if you were to lose 24 pounds of body fat, then you'd be looking at 46.8 pounds of body fat. That would mean this would be way in, potentially body weight would be way in, depending on what happens with muscle gain, and then this percentage would be way down. So that's a really good goal. Okay, so then this just tells you where your body fat is on your body, and you'll see those numbers go down as you lose body fat as well. And this is your visceral fat levels is at 15. Anything 10 and below is considered healthy, so we'll monitor that and see that go down as you lose body fat as well. So really good start point here. And yeah, I'm excited to see the progress that you're going to make. Let me know if you have any questions with the numbers that I gave you, the nutrition numbers that I gave you, or anything else. But yeah, I think you're going to do freaking amazing. I'm really excited to see this. Okay, let me know questions.